In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to your Wix website. Whether you're just getting started with SEO or you're looking to optimize your existing site, this guide is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and unlock the potential of your website. First, we need to log into your Wix account. Head over to www.wix.com and get yourself signed into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, select the one you want to optimize for search engines. This step is crucial, as each site might have its own unique set of keywords depending on your niche or focus. Now that you're in, we'll open the Wix SEO tools. From your site's dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing and SEO. Within this section, choose SEO and then click on Get Found on Google, sometimes referred to as the SEO Setup Checklist. Here, you can set up and edit your keyword strategy. It's an important step because Google uses these keywords to determine how and when to show your site in search results. Before you start adding keywords, it's essential to choose them wisely. Define the main keywords that best represent your business or page. For instance, if you have a bakery specializing in custom cakes, your keywords could include phrases like custom cakes near me, birthday cakes in Manila, or order cakes online Philippines. Utilize tools such as Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Wix SEO Assistant. These resources help you find relevant and high-volume keywords that can drive traffic to your site. With your keywords in hand, it's time to add them to your page titles and descriptions in the Wix editor. Click on Pages and select the specific page you want to optimize. You'll find a settings icon, click it and go to the SEO Google tab. For your page title, incorporate your primary keyword such as custom cakes in Manila by Sweet Bite Bakery. In the description, weave in your keyword naturally within a catchy, descriptive sentence. This helps search engines and potential visitors know what your page is about at a glance. To further optimize your site, add keywords to on-page content. Make sure they feature in your headings, paragraphs, alt text of images, and even in button text or links if relevant. Remember, keyword density is critical. Aim for about 1-2% to keep it natural and avoid keyword stuffing. If you haven't yet, add keywords to image alt text. Click on an image in the Wix editor, then go to Settings and SEO alt text. Write a descriptive phrase that uses your keywords naturally, such as chocolate birthday cake in Manila with sprinkles. Lastly, if your site includes a blog, you'll want to optimize those posts too. Go to Blog, then Manage Posts. Within each post, include keywords in the titles, headings, the first paragraph, meta descriptions, and image alt text. After you've optimized, publish the changes and keep an eye on your progress using tools like Google Search Console or Wix Analytics. With these steps, you'll be better positioned to rank higher on Google and attract more visitors to your Wix site. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.